Assalamu alaikum. As the sun sets on 2022 और हम 2023 की तरफ और बढ़ते हैं, I would like to take a moment to reflect on the year that has passed, what we have achieved और हम क्या और मज़ीद बेहतर कर सकते थे। वाकई में 2022 एक challenging साल था, लेकिन despite all the challenges, I am proud that due to the hard work of State Life's marketing force, staff and officers, State Life has delivered excellent and record-breaking results once again. A leadership team's vision and a board of directors' direction can only be achieved through consistent hard work of our workforce. और इसके लिए मैं आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. I would also like to thank our policyholders, customers and partners of 15 crore से ज़ायद Pakistani who have made State Life's 50th year a truly special year. We look forward to continuously serving you through your future life decisions and keeping our promise to protect and serve your future life and financial needs. We at State Life are focused on making 2023 an even more special year, ensuring innovative and digital solutions for greater care and services to our policyholders and growth to contribute even furthermore to our national economy. Once again, I'd like to wish you all a very happy and a healthy 2023. Thank you.